Hey, welcome back to the channel. My name is David, and on this video we're going to review a product that I never even heard of the company before, or the product. And the company is AutoVox, and they have sent us a Solar 3 Pro backup camera. And we're going to install this a little bit differently than I believe the way it's supposed to be done. But I think you can be kind of creative with this. So there's not much in the box other than it's got the backup camera, it's got a monitor, and that is it. Well, an adapter and some tape. So let's head outside. We're going to bundle up. It's a little cold today, and let's put this on the truck, and I'll show you how I'm going to use it for my instance. So let's go. Generally speaking, you want that backup camera here. I have one here already on the truck, and I have one up there on the cab. However, the tonneau cover blocks my view from that camera to the hitch. So when I'm hitching up, I can't really see it. I can't get it lined up. Plus, it's not very close-up shot. It's a big wide-angle view. So what I decided to do was to take the camera and install it onto the front of the rig. Now, I didn't use the adhesive tape because I wasn't quite sure if this is exactly where I wanted it to be. And there is a metal bracket that goes, of course, on the license plate mounting brackets. But what I did was I simply took the bracket, and it's kind of a metal, it's a very thin metal, but I took some of that alien tape and I just stuck a little piece behind here. It should be able to twist off if I want it, but what I do is I take the camera and I just slide it in position, and I already have it angled, and it is centered with my little marker here, so that when I back up, I have got a view of the hitch, its alignment, excuse me, not the hitch, but the alignment of the kingpin that's going to slide into the hitch. And it's a beautiful thing. It really makes it so much easier to hitch up. I'm not getting in and out to check my alignment. Very simple to do. The monitor is very clear, it's very sharp. You simply use the cigarette lighter adapter, plug it in, and you power this on. Now what you have to do when you're ready to use this is you come over here and you press this button right here, and that turns the camera on. Okay, it leaves it turned on. This, however, turns off automatically, and I believe the settings for it are 30 seconds, 60 seconds, and 120 seconds, 2 minutes. So this will power off. Now, in my opinion, this should stay on as long as you want it, since it's got a cigarette lighter, and that's what you should turn on and off as needed, since it's solar powered. So, guys, if you're listening, that's what I would recommend. Leave this guy on as long as you want, and turn that guy on and off. Even better, turn that camera off through here, through some type of a Bluetooth connectivity or something like that. That's what I would do. I would control the power of the camera through this. There is a little set screw right here that I take out because I don't leave this mounted here when we're driving. Although you could leave this here and it would stay in here just fine. But because this is a temporary setup for me at the moment, I am leaving it so I can take it off after I'm finished. Come on, there we go. It just slides on like that. But there's a little set screw that you put in there that will lock this in place. And this is adjustable so that you can get the angle that you need. Now I'll have to reset that. but let me show you what it looks like as I'm backing up into the rig. Okay, so now that the monitor has connected to the camera, we are going to back up, and I use both my in-truck camera. This is from the cab of the truck, not from the tailgate, because the tailgate's down, as you can see. But I use that in conjunction with the camera from, and let's just see how this all lines up. So you can see my little marker right there. Maybe it's right there, it is. So I gotta line that up, with the marker on the hitch, which you can't see from this angle. So let me make sure I'm clear as far as height. Okay, yeah, height looks good. Now that I moved the camera angle down some, you can see the little white mark here on the front of the kingpin, which gives me a way to line up my hitch with the truck. So, and there is a holder for this, and I should probably be using it, but I haven't done that yet. So again, I adjusted the camera angle a little bit more downward so I can pick this up, so I can align it with this as I'm backing up to center with the hitch. So let's try that. And as you can see here, I can already tell that the kingpin is going to have to come up a little bit higher, and then we'll get it relined. So let's go check the height. Oh yeah, quite a bit higher. All right, time my back down just a little bit more. It should be getting close, but just a tick more on the extension. All right, let's see how that lines up. Okay, I saw the head tilt, so we're gonna raise it up just a little bit more. And that should be good there. This is the only thing I don't care about this monitor is it shuts off. I mean, it's connected to power, so in my opinion, it should never shut off. And we're connected. So that's the advantage of putting that camera there versus on the hitch, or excuse me, on the back of the truck, because I already have a camera right here that I use for, we'll say that coarse alignment, and then this one here is for fine-tuning alignment. So you see, I didn't have to move forward or back at all. So now we can take the pressure off of the jack stands. You can also use it when you are unhitching, just to make sure that you're good and clear. And that is the reason why I kind of like this device. Again, it won't replace my backup camera for the truck, but if you don't have one, or if you want to put this on the front of your truck, because my truck does not have a front camera, you can do that. And you can buy optional accessories, so you can get another mount if you want. And I plan on moving this around. So it's on the rig now for backup and hitching purposes, but you can easily use it for, you know, your car, your vehicle. You can move it from vehicle to vehicle fairly easily. I'll leave a link down below to the product, and you can decide if you want to order one for yourself. So let me get everything situated here, and we'll do a quick recap. In summary of this device, honestly, because I had a few technical issues, not with the camera or the monitor, but I had some corrupted video, and we had a front jack landing failure on the RV that caused me to delay the release of this video. But it gave me time to use this over a longer period of time to give you guys a better, I guess a better product review. And I'll tell you this, I use this quite a bit. Every time I hitch up, I use it, and I now leave the camera installed on the RV because the alien tape that came with it is working great. It hasn't come off. I've traveled hundreds of miles with it, not a problem. So I actually would recommend this. It's fairly inexpensive, and I'll leave a link down below to where you can buy it. And if you use the promo code right here, somewhere right down here, you'll get a discount. So make sure that you take advantage of that. So it's fairly inexpensive. It's got a great clarity in the view. The camera itself is wireless and is solar powered after the initial charge. And it's kind of an easy thing to use. And if you don't have a backup camera already on your truck, you do now. And like I said, I'll be using this for the rig, hitching, and possibly the front bumper since I don't have a front camera. So yeah, in summary, yeah, I think I would recommend this, and I think you should take advantage of it as well. So hey, I appreciate you watching the video. Please give this a thumbs up. Please order, help support us, and we wish you all a Merry Christmas. Sorry this video got put out late this year, but it's just how it is sometimes. All right, guys, appreciate you watching. We'll talk to you soon.